A simple spoon, an everyday utensil, can actually repair significant household damage with surprising ease. You probably have this humble tool sitting in your kitchen drawer right now. It's astonishing how a common metal spoon can become an unexpected hero for home repairs. Forget expensive tools. This common item often holds the key to quick fixes. Let's explore the hidden potential lurking within your cutlery drawer. This isn't about cooking. It's about unlocking practical, everyday solutions. Understanding these simple applications can save you time and considerable money. Many people overlook the versatility of everyday objects like a basic spoon. This knowledge empowers you to tackle minor issues before they escalate. Imagine a tiny, curved piece of metal becoming a powerful problem solver. It's like discovering a secret superpower for your home maintenance needs. The magic lies in the spoon's shape, material, and inherent strength.
Its smooth, rounded edge can glide where other tools might scratch or damage surfaces.
The surface's sturdy handle offers leverage for prying and manipulating small parts. Consider a loose cabinet hinge that's always slipping out of place. Instead of fumbling with oversized screwdrivers, grab a sturdy spoon. Gently insert the spoon's edge behind the hinge plate and lever it outward slightly. This creates just enough space to reseat the screw properly. But that's not the strangest part of this tool's capability. Think about stubborn paint splatters that mar your window panes after decorating. A metal spoon held at a shallow angle acts as an excellent scraper. Its firm edge can carefully lift dried paint without scratching the glass. Just be sure to use a gentle, consistent pressure for best results. Wait until you hear what comes next for sealing tasks. Have you ever dealt with a small, persistent draft from a window seal? Sometimes the rubber or vinyl seal needs a gentle nudge back into place. The curved edge of a spoon can carefully push and reseat these seals. It fits perfectly into the narrow gaps where a finger or larger tool cannot reach effectively. This simple action can significantly improve your home's insulation. And then something unexpected happened with sticky situations. Dealing with dried glue residue on a surface can be incredibly frustrating. A spoon's edge provides a blunt force for scraping away hardened adhesives. It's less likely to gouge the underlying material compared to sharper objects. For very delicate surfaces, you might even use the back of the spoon. This allows for applying pressure without the risk of causing damage. But its utility extends to even more delicate adjustments. Imagine needing to slightly bend a piece of metal back into shape. The strong handle of a spoon can provide the perfect leverage for this. You can carefully apply controlled force to reshape minor bends. This is incredibly useful for small metal components in furniture or fixtures. It's like having a miniature, custom-shaped pry bar at your disposal. Think about those tiny, almost invisible scratches that appear on furniture. Sometimes you need to gently coax a fiber back into place. The smooth, polished surface of a spoon can sometimes buff out light scuffs. Rubbing gently in the direction of the grain can make a difference, but don't underestimate its power for more robust tasks. Have you ever encountered a stripped screw head that won't budge? A spoon can sometimes be used to create a new grip point. By carefully pressing the spoon's edge into the damaged screw head, you might create a temporary slot. This allows a flathead screwdriver to get a purchase and remove the stubborn screw. It's a bit of a hack, but surprisingly effective in a pinch. And then there's the surprisingly simple application for cleaning tight spots. The narrow end of a spoon can reach into small crevices. It can help dislodge debris that vacuum cleaners or brushes miss. This makes it perfect for cleaning around faucet bases or appliance edges. The curved shape allows it to scoop out trapped dirt effectively. It's a testament to how simple designs can offer profound utility. These fixes are about cleverness, not brute force using what you already own. A spoon's inherent strength and smooth edges make it a versatile repair companion. You can save money and time by knowing these simple household tricks. Empower yourself with the knowledge that everyday objects have hidden talents. This humble utensil proves that ingenuity often trumps specialized tools, transforming minor annoyances into quick, rewarding if you found these spoon repair hacks surprisingly useful. Subscribe for more clever home tips. What other everyday objects do you think have hidden repair potential? Let us know in the comments. If you found these spoon repair hacks surprisingly useful, subscribe for more clever home tips. What other everyday objects do you think have hidden repair potential? Let us know in the comments.